So guys, good morning and welcome back to another brand new video. And today in this video I'll talk with about how you guys can import from USA at great discounted price. As you know guys, US exclusive item sold very expensive in Indian subcontinent like Pakistan, Sri Lanka, India, Bangladesh, Nepal. They are like 2 times 3 times expensive compared to the price in USA. So if you like to buy all of this US exclusive item, this is a great time to buy because the sale season is coming and you can crack an awesome deal at very discounted prices and buy from USA to India. And in this video I'll explain you guys how you can do that. Right now we have a Labor Day sale going on in USA, so if you want to crack awesome deal in Labor Day sale, follow some of the link I put in the description below. And Amazon.in 40% discounted Labor Day sale is going on. Like as you see guys, this Galaxy Tab 6 is only $209. That's a good deal. And if we scroll down, look at this Samsung T7 portable SSD. It's 4 TB only for $279. And same thing selling on Amazon.com in India, it cost us around 36,000 rupees. See, I opened it, it's 36,000 rupees. If you buy this kind of electronics item, you can save a lot of money. There is so many great deal on this Amazon.com on Labor Day sale, so you can check it guys, you can check it. Let me scroll down and let's see whether we can find a good deal. Oh, look at this 34-inch curved monitor just for $219. That's a great deal too. Let's open it. But problem is, this item is so big that the import charges, the shipping charges from USA to India, it's too expensive that it don't make any sense. So buy something smaller, don't buy bigger item because bigger item need more space in aeroplane and it costs a lot of money to import it. Even it costs probably $500-600 to import this monitor to India. So that will add it on the cost, and cost become like $200 item. It cost around $600-700. Over that we need to pay some taxes. Okay, I will coming to the tax later. Let's go to bestbuy.com and show you guys is there any good deal. Yeah, this is the Best Buy. On Best Buy, Apple 10.2-inch iPad 64GB variant selling around $199. If you can get a little cheaper using some coupon too, but it's $200, let's assume. But in India, it's selling around 30,000 rupees. So it's too expensive. It's $400 near about. Now, if I want to buy it from USA, because it's a good deal and I want to import it from USA. So first thing you must have a GST number. If you want to buy cheaper, then the tax will be around 12 to 18%. So if I want to pay 18% means we need to pay $36. So the tax will be around 3,000-4,000 rupees. So 15,000 plus 4,000 is around 90,000. So and I think shipping charges will be another let's assume 2,000 rupees to 21,000. I will save around 8,000 to 9,000 on this iPad if I import from USA. Now let's talk about how we can import this item, this iPad from USA to India, because this bestbuy.com is not shipping it to India. It's not. They are not going to ship it to India. They are shipping it inside USA. Now if I click on add to cart, now cart added, then you make the payment, okay, but you cannot ship it to India. You need to ship it inside USA. There is like 1-2% seller ship globally, but majority of like 99% seller do not ship internationally. So if you like to buy all of this item, you need to have a US address. So yes, if somebody lives in USA, like if you know somebody send it to them. But that also costs you more because the shipping charges is literally high. If they ship this item using normal shipping, the shipping charges go like $100, $150. But we have some other trick, like you can use a reshipping company. So what is a reshipping company? Reshipping company is like they will reship your item. You will send this iPad to their warehouse in USA, and from there you need to ship it to your address. So you will place an order when the item is received on the reshipping company website. After that you will order the item to ship it to your country, and you need to pay some shipping charges to the reshipping company, and they will ship it to your country without any problem. I already uploaded few videos about how you guys can import from USA and show their complete process from sign up to placing order and receive the item of reshipping company, from reshipping company to ship it to your country, custom clearance. I showed everything on that video. The video 20-30 minutes long. You can watch the full video. The link is in the description below, so check the video guys, then follow me again. Now as guys, we are on the order summary page. So original price is $329, what that we are getting $130 discount is $199.99, it's equal to $200. And we can go for checkout, or if you have a PayPal, you can check out using PayPal. I strongly recommend you guys before doing any kind of like ordering, you must have a PayPal account. So if you don't have a PayPal account, just apply for a PayPal account, then order it. Probably ordered from Amazon.com using credit card, then you are not able to pay on the reshipping website. Okay, that happened with a lot of people, so make sure you have a PayPal account. Now if you click on the PayPal checkout, then it will take you PayPal ID and password, and you log in and just pay, and make sure to put the address here, the reshipping company address. Here I'm going to use the reshipping company name is Stackry, Stackry.com. You guys can click the link, first link of the video description, and it will take you this Stackry website. Okay, and here as you see guys, get started login. So this is the home page of Stackry. Welcome to Stackry, the world's most trusted international package forwarding service, and they have 20,000 plus 5-star review on Trust Plus, so you can trust them. And I am using their service for last 3-4 years, and I placed there about dozens of product from Stackry. Still I don't have any problem. Few days ago I have problem with some kind of OTP, delivery company asking OTP while delivering, but Stackry don't have this option. So I requested them, I contact with the customer care, and they resolved my problem within 24 hours. And Stackry has a fastest order processing. Like if you place the order, they will ship it within 24 hours. Click on get started. So here is a form. You need to fill the form. Okay, you need to put your name and country, everything, and then click this too and click on sign up. Sign up is absolutely free. I made a full dedicated video about this process guide, so you can check the video if you missing here. I'm not covering everything. Creating an account with Stackry is 100% free, and you don't need to put your credit card details there. It's 100% free. Just sign up for a free Stackry account and ship worldwide. So get a US address, enable access your favorite US retailers. So when you sign up on Stackry, they will give you an USA address which is uniquely to you. Means the address will uniquely identify you. Benefits of the Stackry is that they have like tax free store package for 45 days free. If you like to shop from multiple e-commerce website from USA, shop it for like 5 to 10 days, then ship it to their warehouse. When it comes to the warehouse, you can request Stackry to consolidate all of these items in a small package, because we pay the shipping charges based on the volume and the weight of the package. So if your volume is big, then you need to pay a lot of money for the shipping. So that's the reason the consolidation. So consolidate package to a single and say big, then ship over 200 countries and territories as late as 3 business days. So they probably ship it with the 3 business days. So if you have some question, you can got question click on this button. So let's log in here, and I have my ID, password, and log in. So this is the dashboard. Right hand side you can see this is my USA address. So this is your US shipping address, my name, my address, my name, everything is there. And this is basically my US address, which is unique to me, and I need to copy this address and put on to the e-commerce website where I am buying from, and make sure you put the phone number, this number, not your number. If you put your number, the item probably not deliver to this Stackry address, so make sure you put. And after delivering this item, it will show, if you get dashboard, you can scroll down, you will see here the receipt package. So if you receive one package, here so receipt package 1, if you receive 10 package, it will show receipt package 2 or 10, the number of packages you received, it will show up here. And after receiving your package, it will update it on this dashboard within 24 hours. Now you see saved shipment, I have a saved shipment here, I need to ship it. And one more thing guys, your PayPal account is linked with Stackry. So if you can use your only single account when you buy from Stackry. You cannot use this account to pay for your friend or something like that. So many people requested me, can I pay? So yeah, I can do that, but you need to contact me first before placing the order, so that I can place the order using my account. But I recommend you guys create your own account and place your own order. That is much better for you, because there is some other legal issue I can face. The item that you are purchasing from USA is kind of restricted or maybe illegal in our country. Processing ready to ship. Here is 2 items we have that will be ready to ship. Now you can click on finalize after that, and you see this is my address. Go to next step, and you see Aramax only $17.98. So it is way cheaper compared to any other reshipping website in USA. So if you have a package like less than a pound, not more, less than a kg, you can the delivery charges is around $20 using Aramax. It take like little more time, more than a week. So if you are looking for a cheaper shipping, you can try Aramax Parcel Express, and it's going to save a lot of your money. And if you can scroll down, you can see like DHL is $44, FedEx is $96, USPS is $120. Even buying little box like this, it costs a lot of money to import from USA. And as you see guys, on Stackry we have payment option like Stackry Credit and PayPal. So you must have a PayPal account to pay on Stackry. If you don't have a PayPal account, you probably stuck and you don't have any other option from India, you must need to open a PayPal account if you want to buy from USA. And one more problem you guys are keep facing is payment decline when you pay using your debit card or credit card. I just request you guys download the banking app and enable international transaction, and that's going to fix your payment decline problem. After payment decline problem fixed, you just need to go to paypal.com and open a PayPal account using your debit card and link your account, bank account with PayPal. Done. Then you just need to pay here, and that will be after payment, it will ship to your country. Then you need to clear the customs. Custom charges varies a lot guys, so I cannot give you exact how much you need to pay for the customs. Maybe I give you some idea, like if you buy a $100 item, you need to probably pay around $30-40 customs duty. But if you have a GST number, the custom duty will be around $20 for a $100 item. Okay, so get the idea a little bit. After clearing the customs, you receive the item and enjoy your item. So guys, that's how you guys can crack awesome deal on sale in USA and ship it to your country. Hope you guys able to import your favorite item from USA using Stackry. And that being said, my name is Abhijay. I'm signing out. If you guys have any question or insights, let me know in the comment section below, and I will meet you on my next video. Till then, bye bye.